Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to export your code on Replit. As you can see, currently I'm on replit.com and here I want to export my code. On the left hand side, you can see I'm getting projects. So let's click on it. In my Replit account, I only have one project. In your case, it might be more than one. So let's click on it. Now here on the left hand side, I got my chat window and that's my project preview. Now I want to export the code. To export it, I need to click on this icon on the top right. Then I need to click on Files. Now if I want to export it, I need to click on these three dots. Then click on Download as zip. Let's save it in a folder. So as you can see, the download is done. Now let's see the folder. So here we got a zip file. Now let's extract it. Simply right click, then click on extract all. Click on the extract button. Now once you have extracted the zip file, you will get a folder like this. And here you will find all your files. You can open this folder in a VS Code, cursor, whatever ID you want. Let's open this in a VS Code. For that, I simply need to right click and click on Open with Code. Now in the VS Code, you will find all the files and you can start working on it. So I hope you understood how to export your code from Replit. See you next video. Have a nice day.